Guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? In case you are seeing me for the first time, this is Precious here and this is a trading channel. First of all, I want to thank you for clicking on this video. That means you are serious about your financial life and I am respectful of that. Most people don't make money from trading not because it's impossible to trade or they are using a terrible strategy. It's because they started without a plan. Today in this video, I'm going to be holding your hands and I'm going to be guiding you on the step-by-step way you can start day trading in 2025. I know you've made a lot of mistakes from January to now, but just forget about that. Now you have to focus on what you can achieve before the end of this year, and that is why I'm making this video. And also, I would like to apologize. I've been getting a lot of requests from people that want one-on-one mentorship sessions, but I can only take 2 students per session. So I want to apologize for that. In as much as I want to take everybody along, so I've been so concerned about it. I have come up with a plan to create an online course that can include everybody. We have the foundation phase, helps you to understand smart money concept, how smart money works in the market, how you can use smart money to trade in the market. Then we have the second phase. The second phase is on smart money playbook. That is where you will get deep insight and deep knowledge to become consistently profitable. And the third phase is smart money mastery. A smart money mastery helps you to scale your accounts to wealth. That is where the scaling strategy comes in, enables you to scale your accounts to build wealth for yourself and be the version of the person you want to become. Now you get all of this on my one-on-one mentorship session, but I can't take everybody. I can only take 2 students. But with this plan now, I'm already working on it. I've already started creating on the first phase, the foundation phase. Now with this plan, everybody can be able to benefit from my mentorship. This is everything you still get from the one-on-one mentorship. And also you have access to me. You have access to reach out to me. You still have an assignment to do on the online course. I can still look at and mark, because we still have a Telegram platform where you can reach out to me with your questions. You can go live. I'm so excited and you guys are going to benefit a lot from it because it's packed and you get access to me one-on-one. Very exciting. I'm looking forward to it. So let's get started with this video today. I don't know, I feel very excited to get to share this with you guys, because when I first started trading, I figured some of these things by myself. So you get to learn from experience, not from your own experience, from my experience, and then you build on it. And before we go deep into how to start day trading in 2025, what is day trading? What is your idea of being a day trader? A day trader is somebody that buy and sell in the financial market within a day. So you are just looking out for a small move. You are not a long-term investor. You are looking out for 1:3 risks to reward, 1:5 risks to reward, to trade within 24 hours. You are out of the market. The difference between swing trader and a day trader is a swing trader can hold a position overnight, 48 hours, 72 hours, but a day trader can only hold a position within 24 hours. The moment you start holding position beyond 24 hours, you are no longer a day trader, but a swing trader. This step is very key in trading. This can make you a non-profitable trader and can make you millions of dollars if you get this right. Pick a market you want to trade. Like, picking a market you want to trade is very key, and I always advise beginners to pick the forex market. The forex market provides more liquidity than the crypto market. The crypto market is more volatile. In the forex market, we have more liquidity. In the forex market, you see price respecting market structure a lot. So start with the forex market. When you start with the forex market, you can advance later. So in the forex market, Euro USD and GBP USD are correlated. That means they move the same direction. GBP USD is bearish, Euro USD is also bearish, and USD JPY and Euro USD and GBP USD are inversely correlated. These are the things you have to look out for, and these are the things that I wish someone advised me on before I started trading. So now you are getting it for free, and that is what I do. I just drop gems for you guys because I want you guys to be profitable, and that is the goal. And if that interests you, hit on the subscription button to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions, and also share this video to people that really benefit from this video. We have sessions. We have London session, we have New York session, and then we have the Asian session. As depending on where you are, though I can't really go deep into that because of the different time zones. During London session, we have more volatility on GBP and Euros pairs during London session. And then during New York session, we have more volatility on USD pairs. The US 30 is more volatile. Take note of the pairs. So you don't need to be everywhere in the market. Just pick a market and focus on it, study it, backtest it, and trade. Practicing on a demo account. Start on a demo account, guys. I know you want to quickly make that money. I know you want to buy that car. I know you want to go on that vacation, but start with the demo account first. It's very important to start with a demo account, guys. Start with the demo account, but don't stay there and just be trading with a demo account that you can't withdraw. Don't do that. To know this strategy works, then you can fund your own account with a small capital. I will advise $100, and then you can now see how your psychology works with your own money. Treat your demo account the same way you treat your life account. So when you fund your life account, it will be easier for you to manage your psychology. Learning multiple time frame analysis is how you make money in the market. If you want to be consistently profitable, you have to understand and apply multiple time frame analysis. It's also called top-down analysis as well. You work your way from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Now, this is an extensive topic, and I made a video about this. My last video was about multiple time frame analysis. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. And also I'm going to be leaving the link up here so you guys can have access to it. You can't be on one time frame and make decision. You can't be on 15 minutes and know the overall trend of price in the market and then find your entry, mark out your structure. No, it's not done. For somebody that wants to start day trading, you have to work with the higher time frame. You have to work with the daily time frame. The daily time frame will show you the direction of price in the market. Then you work your way to the 4 hours. You mark out your key points. You go to 30 minutes or 15 minutes for your entry. Then you enter your trade. After your break of structure, very important, after your break of structure, you have an order block. That order block is your entry. The order block in a bullish market now is the last bearish candle after a strong move upward. That is your order block. That is your entry point. Make sure your stop loss is below your swing low if you are buying. When price come close to your order block, mitigate your entry and move downward a little. It doesn't take you out of the market, because sometimes price wants to grab liquidity and then move in your direction, because your stop loss is very tiny to take you out before moving in your direction, and then you'll be like pain. So make sure you give your entry breathing space. Your take profit is your exit. You're buying low, then you want to target the recent swing high to take your profit from there. So risk management is very important in trading. The goal is to be in the game, not to make one huge loss and then you're out of the game. You don't want to do that. You don't want to risk your entire profits on one trade. Maybe you've made a profit of $100 in a day, and then the next day you want to risk that $100 on that trade. It's not done. Don't do that. That is not that is not strategic. That is not smart. Make sure you are risking not more than 5% of your account. That is what you should risk. And also, a lot of people have fear of missing out. And also, revenge trading. One trade doesn't define you. If you're in a trade and it hits stop loss, don't re-enter that trade and feel, no, my analysis was right. How come it hit my stop loss? It must be. Don't do that. And then don't add to losing positions. Some of us, when we are in a trade and the trade is coming close to our stop loss, we just keep adding to it, expecting that the trade is going to reverse. But then it hits our stop loss and then we lose more than expected. So don't do that. Just let it go. One trade doesn't define you, I guarantee you. The next 100 trades define you, not just one. Professional traders protect their capital, they protect their profits. Losing money is inevitable in trading, but you are responsible for how much you want to lose and how much you want to make. So choose wisely. The last but not the least is routine for a day trader. Woo! Okay, okay, let's talk about it. So I love to I love to go on forexfactory.com to check the news, what is going on. Do we have high impact news that cause volatility in the market today that I need to be aware of? I backtest, very important. I always backtest, carry out multiple time frame analysis, then I find an entry. And I love to wait for trade to come to me. So I find an entry and then I wait patiently for price to come to my level and mitigate my entry before I can be in that trade. If not, then it's okay not to trade for that day. But before I check the news and I open the chart, I love to read my Bible. I pray for God to give me the strength for me to do what I need to do every day to move closer to the version of the woman I want to become, which is very key. And so far so good. I am grateful. God has been so kind. God has been so faithful. And if you enjoyed this video, if you benefit from this video, which I know you do, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section and share this video to traders that will benefit from this video as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.